Hey guys, it's me, Brittany, the one and only Brittany. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, I've wasted my day and with sleep because I stay up until like 2, 3 in the morning and I wake up at like 1 p.m. So we're gonna fix that today. We're gonna get my life back on track because I'm inside of my lazy girl era. I mean, I've been in that era all summer. Kid you not. Kid you not. I go back to school in 2 weeks. Unacceptable. First things first, let's make up this bed. I did wash my sheets yesterday, so my sheets aren't dirty. I need to make it up because I slept in it and didn't make it up. So yeah. Guys, now that my bed is made, this is my bed. Yeah, like it. Anyway, now that my bed is made, we're gonna take all the trash out my room because we don't want ants, spiders, none of that. We don't want none of that, and we want a clean room, not a dirty room. So take the trash out your room, guys. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Okay. See, you got a Jello cup right there. You guys, I need to clean my vanity. I know. Trust me, I know. And well, okay, I don't have that much trash in my room. Dang, bro. Okay, I don't have that much trash in my room, but I do need to take it out so that way it don't, turn into more. Okay, guys, so now we're by my closet and my dressers, and boy, look at my dressers. No, that is atrocious, and it's time to clean this. This is supposed to go on my carpet, so we're gonna put this on my carpet and then clean my dressers because you have to let it sit on your carpet. It's like a pet fresh odor thing. My dog didn't pee in my room. I just want to freshen up my room, like freshen up my carpet because yeah, I had sprayed something and it stinks, bro. It stinks. So yeah, we're gonna put this on the carpet, let it sit for, how long is it? For 15 minutes. It should take me a good 15 minutes to clean my dressers because gotta fold up these clothes because those are clean clothes. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Fold your clothes whenever it come out the dryer because you gonna feel 10 times better whenever you're not walking everywhere trying to ignore this pile of clothes on the dresser. Ooh, it's embarrassing. Guys, I'm tired of my lazy girl era. Stop. Stop. Okay, I'm going to put this on the carpet and we're going to get to cleaning. Okay, guys, so I finished cleaning it. This is what it's looking like. Okay, so, yo. Cuteness. Hey, stop playing with me. After we clean all our mirrors and windows, I'm going to clean my vanity off so that way it can look cute and scrumptious and not like that. Okay guys, so now it's time to clean my vanity, and all I gotta do is just put this stuff back where it goes. And I normally put all my stuff in this thing right here, so that way it's not all over the place and whatnot. And then we're gonna wipe down the mirror. I like to think of it as a reorganization because I used to have my Bible and my pens here, but I'm gonna put my Bible and my pens on my dresser where that picture is, so that way my vanity could be kind of less cluttered. now that I have finished vacuuming my floor, y'all, I had to literally like change out the filter of my vacuum because it wasn't cutting it. It was not cutting it. So now, guys, we're going to be putting on some lashes. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I got these like a day or two ago, and I've been holding back putting them on because I be thinking like, dang, bro, what if I work out? Like, girl, you gonna work out in these lashes anyway. Lashes are done. Guys, do I look like a caterpillar? Please tell me. Y'all, what's y'all's favorite game on Roblox? Because mine is Dress to Impress. Yeah, Dress to Impress. Okay, let me shut up and let me actually go on a run. Because, dude, I be chatting too much. Y'all, just got done. We both ran, well, I ran 2 laps, Scooter 1 lap, my twin ran 1 lap, and Scooter 2. And yeah, on my first run, like on the first lap, I was like running in and stopping, and then my twin was like, try to run the whole lap, and I was like, you do it. Oh, yeah. I was like, you see if you can run this whole lap. And then she did it. And I was like, I think I could do that too. So I did it. It was hard, but you just got to keep pushing through it for real. I'm back inside. Y'all can see me, how I actually look. And I'm sweaty. Oh my gosh. But, ooh, it is time to get in the shower. Oh, my hair is a mess. I need to wash my hair, do all of that. It's 8:58. I mean 59. It's 8:59. Oh, guys, look, I'm out the shower and I just DIY'd this shirt. Oh my god, how cute is it? It's a 10 out of 10. Definitely tried it and recommend. Hey, this is the back of the shirt. Oh my god, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm out the shower. I didn't feel like doing the 2 French braids because it was just too much. All of my lashes came off because I took them off after the shower because I wasn't liking them, and one fell off. So I was like, I'm taking all of these off. So I did. And was that the best decision? Probably not, but it's okay. Now we can just get on and start this nighttime routine. But anyway, that's besides the point. I finished doing my lashes because they were really like ticking me off. Like they were not working at first, but now they're working and they're cute and I actually like it. So now we're gonna do a face mask and teeth whitening strips. And while we do that, we're gonna do some Bible reading. Just catching up on the Bible because, to be honest, the Bible is really interesting. All right, guys, so I got the vitamin C brightening sheet mask, and I also got me some grwm strips. Guys, that was my last strip. Like, I need some more. These are so good. We're gonna leave it on for an hour, but this says leave it on for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes, these. Well, no, like, my bad. After 20 minutes, we take this off and like we do whatever it says to do after. And then in 40 more minutes, then we take these off. Starts now. Hey. Okay guys, so according to my big fat timer, it has been 35 minutes and that's way past the time that I'm supposed to take this off. But wait, hold on, there's no way it's been like 25 minutes and I don't even like notice that. Like, I thought I've been reading the Bible for like 5 minutes. No, I've been reading it for a good 20-30 minutes already. Like, hey, slay. But I'm gonna stop at chapter 10, so yeah. Okay guys, it's gonna be time for it to ding ding ding. Can't really hear that much, but now we can take these strips off. I keep on saying we, but y'all are going through the process with me. So it's like, let's do top ones first because they went on first. Ah. I need more strips, come on out. Thank you guys so much for watching my saving half a day video, because I actually did save my half a day. Like, I actually worked out, cleaned my room, did Bible study, did face care and skincare and teeth whitening strips. Like, oh my gosh, it was such a good day. It's currently 1:12, so it's the next day. But thank you guys so much for watching and staying this long. And until next time, my one and onlys, bye. Wait, I forgot to say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, now I'm out. Bye guys.